When the next Maxima arrives for the 2026 model year, it will be completely different from the previous one. The present generation, which will wind up manufacturing this year, will be replaced by this next generation. While Nissan is in the process of reorganizing its portfolio, the Maxima name will be put on hold for a short period of time. With the exception of the amount of doors, we anticipate that virtually few components of the present Maxima will be carried over to the 2026 model. Maxima 2026 from Nissan. Starting at approximately $44,000. A portion of its design will be derived from the IAMS concept, which is a collection of sharp angles and thin lighting that Nissan referred to as an elevated sports sedan. It is anticipated that the pricing of the 2026 Nissan Maxima will begin at approximately $44,000 and conclude at $61,000, depending on the trim level and the options that are purchased. The CMF-EV platform, which is now used to support the Ariya and is shared with partners Renault and Mitsubishi, will function as the foundation for the 2026 Nissan Maxima. Although it is still some time before we know how the new Maxima will be designed, it would make sense for Nissan to develop a base model from the majority of the Ariya's entry-level components. This would include a single electric motor mounted on the front axle that is capable of producing 214 horsepower and 221 pound-feet of torque. The Ariya's most robust all-wheel drive configuration brings the vehicle's output up to a respectable 389 horsepower. According to Nissan, the Maxima is all about sporty driving, and what we would really like to see is the same power figures that were seen in the IAMS concept, which are 483 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque. A child is capable of dreaming.